In English, we always need a subject in a sentence. For example, I eat, you eat, he eats. But in Romanian, something interesting happens. Sometimes, depending on the context, the verb itself already tells us who is doing the action. So the subject can be omitted from the sentence. These are words that are understood from the context. În română, cuvinte cu subînțeles. For example, what are you doing? I'm eating pizza. Ce faci? Mănânc pizza. Because the verb ending changes, Romanians sometimes drop the pronoun. Example, eu mănânc. Mănânc. Both means I eat. Let's quickly review how we build a sentence. Step 1. Choose a subject. Step 2. Choose a verb. Step 3. Choose an object. For example, eu citesc o carte. I read a book. But in Romanian, sometimes we don't even need step 1 because the verb already shows the subject. Even though eu is not said, the verb citesc already tells us the subject is I. Romanian verbs change their endings depending on the subject. Let's look at some common verbs. Eu citesc, merg, scriu, lucrez. Tu citești, mergi, scrii, lucrezi. El, ea. Citește, merge, scrie, lucrează. Noi citim, mergem, scriem, lucrăm. Voi citiți, mergeți, scrieți, lucrați. Ei, ele citesc, merg, scriu, lucrează. Because the endings change, the verb itself helps us identify who is doing the action. Example verb, a mânca, to eat. Eu mănânc, I eat. Tu mănânci, you eat. El mănâncă, he eats. Ea mănâncă, she eats. When you hear the word mănânc, you immediately know the subject is eu or I. Example sentence, mănânc pizza. I eat pizza. Again, the verb ending shows the subject, so the pronouns can sometimes be omitted when the context is clear. In English, I eat, you eat, they eat. The verb barely changes. In Romanian, eu mănânc, tu mănânci, el mănâncă. Romanian verbs change more depending on the subject, but this actually helps us understand who is speaking, even if the pronoun is not used. You learned Romanian verbs change depending on the subject. The verb ending helps identify who is doing the action, and because of that, pronoun can sometimes be omitted in Romanian sentences when the context is clear.